Neighbours is one of Australia's biggest TV shows and has been kicking on for a remarkable 36 years, and may we have come a long way since 1985. While some things like forbidden love affairs, crazed killers and surprise pregnancies will never go out of style, we've seen all sorts of actors come and go on Neighbours, and for some it's been a springboard into stardom. From Golden Girls Delta Goodrem and Kylie Minogue through to Hollywood heavyweights Margot Robbie and Liam Hemsworth, these famous faces have Neighbours to thank for getting their careers off the ground. To celebrate Neighbours' birthday, we thought we'd take a trip down memory lane to remember just how far some of the show's stars have come. Kylie Minogue. Queen Kylie starred as Charlene Robinson. She may be based in the UK now, but Kylie Minogue will always be an Aussie gal. The singing superstar rose to fame in the 80s as tomboy Charlene Robinson, who married Scott, more on Jason Donovan below, who she teamed up with for the iconic duet Especially For You. These days Kylie is riding high after releasing an epic 14 albums and receiving an Obey amongst other awards. On a personal note, she is currently engaged to British GQ's creative director Paul Solomon. Jason Donovan. Replacing Darius Perkins, the lovable Jason Donovan was the Kylie's other half back in the day as Scott Robinson and joined the cast at the tender age of 17. Following his time on Neighbours, Jason became a musical theatre star and later appeared on the UK reality shows I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, and Strictly Come Dancing, but his soapy legacy lives on. Jason's daughter Gemma is also starring on the soap that made her dad a household name. Guy Pearce. The handsome Aussie actor starred as Mike Young on the hit soap and confessed last year that Neighbours will always have a special place in his heart. Since then, Guy has starred in films including Memento, The King's Speech, Mary Queen of Scots, as well as Aussie shows including Jack Irish and The Wizard of Oz. Delta Goodrem. At just 17 years old, Delta joined the Neighbours family as shy songwriter Nina Tucker, and from then, she became a national treasure. The Golden Girl has released best-selling albums and went on to be the longest-serving coach on The Voice Australia, but recognizes just how instrumental the soap was in forming her career. Margot Robbie. This Queenslander is one of the biggest movie stars in the world right now, but she started her career as Aussie teen Donna Friedman. Donna left Ramsay Street to pursue her fashion dreams in New York City, and Margot herself soon took America by storm and went on to star in blockbusters including The Wolf of Wall Street, Suicide Squad, and has even been nominated for an Oscar twice for her films Amai, Tonya and Bombshell. Liam Hemsworth. His older brother Chris may have been one of the Home and Away alumni, but Liam had his own soapy storyline. The heartthrob had a guest role as paraplegic Josh Taylor, who had a doomed romance with Bridget Parker and since then has become a verified superstar. Liam has since starred in the Hunger Games movie franchise, The Last Song and Isn't It Romantic? And whilst he's now dating model Gabriella Brooks, we can't ever forget his short-lived marriage to pop star Miley Cyrus. Russell Crowe. Yes, even the Gladiator himself was on Neighbours. In the late 80s he played Kenny Larkin in 4 episodes and has since gone on to star in critically acclaimed films and TV shows such as Gladiator, A Beautiful Mind and The Loudest Voice. That was some famous names of the industry. Subscribe for future updates. Goodbye.